Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today we'll be talking about your fuel tank sending unit and your fuel gauge. Here I have a 12 volt gauge. Sometimes we get this comment from customers where they don't know if their gauge is working or if their sending unit's working. So on the back of this gauge, you have 3 posts. Going to be a positive, one's going to be a negative, and then the center post is going to be your sending unit wire. Here's your sending unit. You've got your mounting stud as well as where your arm is going to mount on the back. So the first thing I want to talk about is testing your fuel gauge to see if it actually is an operable gauge. I've taken a 9 volt battery. This is a 12 volt gauge. So I've got this 9 volt battery. I've got some alligator clamps. I'm going to take the power from the positive on the battery. I'm going to hook it up to the positive on the gauge. Then I've got the negative hooked up with the black cable here. I'm going to touch it to the center post, which is your sending unit wire. As you can see, the needle jumps. That means that this gauge is operable. Now we're going to test our sending unit. We've got our meter, and we're going to put it onto the ohm setting. We're going to take our nodes, put one to the mounting stud on the sending unit. The other one's going to act as the ground, completing the circuit. As you swoop your arm, you're going to see that the ohms are going to rise as it goes empty. It will then fall as it goes to full. So now that we've tested the sending unit to make sure that it is operable and the gauge, we're going to hook these up as if they would be installed in the vehicle to test to make sure everything works. I've got my power converter. We've got our gauge. As you can see, once I hook power up to it, the sending unit is in the full position. It's listed in full. As you drop the arm, it's going to go to empty. As we raise this arm again, you'll see the needle moves on the gauge and goes to full. We get these questions where it says that it only reads 3/4 full or half full. Well, there's an adjustment on the back. You see this tab here. If you move it, and we're going to put this very exaggerated. Basically, the arm is going to hit this tab. You see it's only reading 3/4 full. What that means is the tab needs to be adjusted so that it reads full. But I want to show you one more thing. If this tab is too far and you swoop your arm, once you get to the end of the resistance board, it's going to click to empty. That means that this tab needs to be moved in. So what you need to do is you need to find the happy medium on this tab to where when the arm hits, it's going to get to the full. Same thing on the empty. So once you do a couple fine-tune adjustments, now it's blocking it right there at full. I hope this helps when trying to figure out if your gauge or your sending unit is faulty. Thanks for watching.